If you're getting error code 185 in Valorant along with the message, Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several solutions that have helped many players fix this issue. Make sure you follow each step carefully, as one of them's likely to resolve the problem for you. While researching this issue, I came across several discussions on Reddit and the Riot Games forums, where a large number of players reported running into the exact same connection error. Many of them mentioned that the game suddenly stopped launching, even though it had been working perfectly before. The good news is that a few solutions shared by the community helped fix the issue for a lot of users. So in this video, I'll walk you through those fixes one by one. Make sure you follow each step carefully, because one of them is very likely to solve the problem for you. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is restart your computer. Although it sounds simple, a fresh restart can often fix temporary connection issues between Riot Client and Riot Vanguard. Once your PC has restarted, launch the Riot Client again and try opening Valorant. If the game starts normally, then you're good to go. However, if you're still seeing the same VAN 185 error, move on to the next solution. If you have any console controllers, gaming adapters, USB hub, steering wheels, or other unnecessary input devices connected to your PC, disconnect them completely. Many players have reported that unplugging these devices immediately resolved the error. In some situations, Riot Vanguard may detect certain controllers or USB devices as suspicious hardware. Preventing the game from launching correctly. If you're using Bluetooth controllers or any wireless gaming accessories, disconnect those as well before launching the game again. If that doesn't solve the problem, try changing your network connection using Cloudflare WARP. Open your browser and download Cloudflare WARP from the official website. Install the application and launch it. Once it's running, click the WARP icon from the system tray and turn the connection on. After WARP is connected, launch Valorant again and check if the connection error has disappeared. If you're still facing the same issue, the next thing you'll need to verify is that the VGC service is running properly. Press Windows +R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down until you find VGC. Right-click it and select Properties. If the service isn't running, change the startup type to Automatic, then click Start. After the service starts successfully, click Apply followed by OK. Now open the Riot client and click Play to launch Valorant. While the game is loading, press Windows +X and open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab and locate vgc.exe. Right-click it, choose Set Priority, and change it to real-time. If Windows asks for confirmation, simply approve the change. Giving the Vanguard service a higher priority has helped many users eliminate the VAN 185 connection error during startup. Once that's done, wait for Valorant to finish loading and check whether the game launches successfully. Among all these solutions, the one that has worked for the highest number of players is disconnecting unnecessary controllers and USB input devices before launching the game. If you have any devices connected that aren't required, unplug them first and then try launching Valorant again. If you're still getting error code VAN 185, let me know in the comments along with your Windows version and exactly when the error appears. I'll try my best to help you fix it.